Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Do you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the answer for this question? A place used for storing, preservation, and
Option
exhibition of
2.
both plants and animals is known as. What are the given options? Option 1 is herbaria. Option 2 is botanical garden. Option 3, given option 3 is museum. The fourth option is the juice.
Option 3. Museum.
Very good. Option 3. Please message me answer in chat box. Right. Very good. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next, next question. 92. Herbarium consists of
Dried
herbarium,
plants.
herbarium consists of. What are the given options? Option 1 is the collection of living plants. Option 2, collection of plant and animal specimens preserved in the containers. The third option is preserved insects in boxes after collecting, killing, and pinning. The fourth one is herbarium sheets carrying dried, pressed, and preserved plant specimens on them.
Sir, option 4.
Option 4.
Very good, very good. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next, the question number 93 is the first option is a form of herbaria. The second one is a type of educational institute. The third option is a taxonomical aid used for identifying various organisms. The fourth option is taxonomic category. What is the answer? Very good,
Option
Sriya,
3.
Arpita. Right, and option 3 is the correct answer. Next, in zoological park, animals are. I read the options. The first one is the animals are kept and preserved in a containers or jars. The second option is preserved in boxes after killing. The given third option is animals are kept in a protected environments under human care. The given fourth option is stuffed and then preserved. What is the answer? Very good.
Option 3.
Option 3 is the correct answer. Next, the question number 95. Amongst the given taxonomic aids, how many are associated with the preservation of specimens? How many are? I repeat the question. Amongst the given taxonomic aids, how many are associated with the preservation of specimens? '95. The question number 95. Monograph. Next. Flora. Key. Museums. Botanical gardens. botanical gardens, catalog, so what is the question? Among is the given taxonomic aids, how many are associated with the preservation of specimens? How many given? How many are associated with preservation of a specimens? What are the given? Monograph, one is monograph, second one flora, and K, museums, botanical gardens, catalog, herbarium, manual, herbarium manual. Right, among these, monograph, flora, key, manual, and catalog. So these are the books having the recorded information useful for identification of an organisms. Monograph, flora, key, manual, catalogs are useful for identification of an organisms. So these are having the recorded information of an organisms in a books. Monographs are having any one type of the taxon. Flora is also book, that's one kind of book. It consists of the plants information.
Only plant.
Is the flora is useful for identification of only plants, organisms, animals.
Only
Only plants, right? So monograph, flora, key, manual, catalogs. So these are the books having the recorded information, right? Next, museums. 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 Away.
plants and animals.
Very good. Both plants and very good. Praveen.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Museums. So the museums are in museums. The plants and animal specimens are preserved in a containers. Right. Museums. What about this herbarium?
Only plants.
Yes, the dried plant specimens are preserved now.
Yes, sir.
So dried plant specimens are preserved. Next, botanical garden.
Only plants.
Yes, the living plant specimens, living plants, not preserved. Living plants are available in a botanical gardens, whereas in a herbarium and museums, the plants and animal specimens are preserved in a container by using the chemicals. Among these, how many of them are among us the given taxonomic aids? How many are associated with the preservation of specimens?
3.
3 or 2?
Option 3.
Yes, 2. 2. 2 is the answer.
But in
But
given only
Key again.
they have given 3. Sir, in key they have given 3, sir.
yes, in key given 3, but the correct answer is the two taxonomical aids only. The third option is the correct answer. Given key is second option. No,
Yes.
third option is the correct answer. In the given third option, two taxonomical aids. Okay, so I will change that. Next, live specimens are used for reference in taxonomic studies. The question number 96. The live specimens are used for reference in taxonomic studies. What are the given options? Option 1 is museum. Option 2 is zoological parks. Option 3 is botanical gardens. Option 4 is more than one option is correct. What is the answer?
Option is
Option 4. More than one option is correct.
Option 4, sir.
Specimens are in zoological parks. More than one option. None of the following is not a given got or not. Gardens have it. So the second one, museum has photographs of it's a museum collection of the is option is what is the answer? Option is a
Rate of
number 99.
herbarium.
Herbarium, right? So second option is the correct answer. What are the given options for the question number 99? Very good, Shafa, Neha, Navya. The quick referral system in taxonomic studies are option 1, botanical garden, 2, herbaria, 3, monograph, 4th one is the manual. What is the answer? Which option is correct answer? Second option is the correct answer. Very good. Next, zoological parks. Option, the question number 100. Now, what is the question? Zoological parks. Option 1, have preserved plant specimens. Option 2, plant specimens preserved in the containers. Option 3, both 1 and 2. Option 4, zoological parks are useful in identification of animals. What is the answer for this?
4.
Very good option. The 4 is the correct answer. Right. Next, the question number 102. Sorry, 101. 101. Question number 101. In a herbarium, the sheets are arranged according to. What is the answer for this question?
Option 2.
Very good. Option 2. Universally accepted system of classification. Next, information on any taxon is found in.
Monograph.
What are the given options? Option 1 is manuals. Option 2 museums. Option 3 herbarium. Option 4 monographs. What is the answer? Message me answer in the chat box. Very good. Fourth option is the correct answer.
Sir, but in some of the books, only one type of taxon is there, sir.
Yes, means any one taxon, either it is monographs. For example, one monograph is having information about species. One monograph is having information about genera. Already I have given examples, no? What are the For example, Homo sapiens.
Indica.
Very good. Mangifera indica, one of the example in plants. Mangifera indica is the scientific name of
Mango.
mango plants. Indica is the 1 unit. Angifera is the is 1 unit now. The unit is the 1 unit. In human beings,
Sapiens.
Homo sapiens. Sapiens is one of the unit. Sapiens species. Homo genera. Several units are there for classification of organism. Each unit of classification is called as a taxon. Monographs are having information about one type of taxon. Monographs are having recorded information, one kind of books. Kind of that. So some of the monographs are having information about species only. Some of the monographs are having information about
Class.
genus only. And some of the monographs are having information about some of the monographs are having information about the family only. Right? Monographs are having information. Mono means monographs are having information in one type of tag. Okay, you're welcome. Next to question number 103. A pair of contrasting characters in a called. What is the answer? Pair of contrasting. Very good option. A pair of contrasting characters are called a couplet.
Couplet.
Which option is correct answer? Option 1 singlet, option 2 doublet, option 3 couplet, 4 triplet. Very good. Third option is the correct. So, question number 104. Museums have. I repeat the question. Museums have. Option 1 collection of living organisms. Option 2 dried and preserved plants. 3 animals kept in their natural habitats. 4 preserved plant and animal specimens.
Option 4.
Very good. Option 4. Question number 105. Botanical gardens have. Option 1 living plants and animals for reference. Option 2 collection of living plants. Option 3 preserved plant specimens. Option 4 living and preserved plants. What is the answer for this?
Collection of living plants.
Very good. Collection of herbaria are useful in. One. Repeat the question. Herbaria are useful in. One. Understanding the distribution of plants. Option 2. Observing habitat of plants. Option 3. Identification of plants. Option 4. Indicating list of plants in a particular area. What is the answer for this question?
Option 3.
Very good. Option 3. Question number 107. Plant specimens that are dried, pressed, and preserved on sheets found in.
Herbarium.
Herbarium. Very good. Option 1 herbarium. Option 2 floras. Option 3 museum. Option 4 botanical garden. Very good. Option the correct. Question number 108. Herbarium sheets table provides information about. Herbarium sheet table provides information about. What are the given options? One is vegetative and floral characters of the plant. Option 2 habitat and distribution of the plant. Option 3 date, the place of collection. common names are blank. Option 4, very good. Option
3.
very good. Option 3 is the correct answer. Question number 109. Museums have. Option 1 is plant and animal specimens preserved in solutions. Option 2,
1. Option
very good. All of the above. Option is the question number 110. Live specimens of plants, animals are found respectively in. One is botanical gardens, zoological parks. Option 2, herbaria and zoo. Option 3, museum and monographs. Option 4, flora and museum. Very good. This option is the correct answer. Live specimens of plants and animals are found in botanical gardens and zoological parks. Question 1. Lead is 1. Each
statement.
very good statement is called. Next. Question number 112. In a zoological park, what are the given options? One is animals are protected under human care. Second option is plant specimens are preserved. The given third option, animals and plants both are conserved. Option 4, none of these. What is the answer?
Option 1.
Botanical gardens and preserved plants. All is all the following are used.
All the
All the fourth option is the next 115. Identification of plants is done with the help of. One is museum. Option 2, flora. Option 3, herbaria. Option 4, all of them.
option 4.
Very good option. Identification of plants is done with the help of museum, flora, and herbaria. Next 116. It has collection of preserved plant specimens. Preserved. One is herbarium. Option 2, one is herbarium. 2, botanical gardens. 3, museum. 4, manual. Herbarium, botanical gardens, museum, or manual. Or manual. The given first option is one only. Second option is 2, 3 is 1, 3. Option 4 is 3, 4.
Three.
Very good option. Identify collection of preserved plants. question number 17. Each statement in a couplet is called as. Is answer. Third option is the correct answer. Right. Next 118. Match the following. List one distribution of lines of a given area.
Flora.
Is that distribution of lines of given area? Distribution of lines of a given area. The B, information about only one taxon. C, usage of preservatives. Usage of preservatives. Whereas in list 2, museum to flora, three monographs. Right. List one distribution of lines of a given area.
Flora.
Yes. Distribution of plants of a given area. Flora. Right. A3. Sorry, A2. B, information about only one taxon.
Monographs.
Monographs, right. B3. Usage of preservatives.
Museum.
Very good. Usage of preservatives. So what is the answer?
Sorry, A2, B,
A2. Right. A2,
B3, C1.
C1.
Option
So
one,
first
sir.
Option 1. Very good. Next, which type of plastic contains chlorophyll and responsible for photosynthesis? Option 1 is chloroplast, 2 is chromoplast, 3 is aleuroplast, option 4 helioplast. What is
Option
the
1, chloroplast.
Very good. Option 1 chloroplast is the correct answer, involved in photosynthesis. Next, the question number 120. Thylakoids are presented. What are the given options? Option 1 is mitochondria, option 2 is vacuoles, option 3 chloroplast, option 4 ribosomes.
Option 3, chloroplast.
How many types of thylakoids are there?
2 types, stromathylakoids and granathylakoids.
2 types of thylakoids, stroma and grana thylakoids. Stroma thylakoids, grana thylakoids. Right. Next, the structure that are formed by stacking of organized flattened membranous sacs in the chloroplast are. Option 1 is stroma. Option very good.
Grana.
Grana. DNA is not present in
Ribosome.
ribosomes. What are the given options? Mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosomes. Fourth one is the nucleus. Very good. Third option is the correct answer. Next, question number 123. Chlorophyll in a chloroplast is located in
Membranous system.
membranous systems, right? Here the given options. What are the given options? Option 1 grana, option 2 pyrenoid, option 3 stroma, option 4 both 1 and 3. What is the answer?
1.
Very good. Option 1 is the correct answer, grana. Next, question number 124. Light reaction takes place in. Option 1 is grana.
Thylakoids.
Option 2, stroma thylakoid. Option 3, both 1 and 2. Option 4, cristae.
Option 3, both 1 and 2.
Very good. Both 1 and
2.
in
Thylakoid.
chloroplast organelle, grana thylakoids means arranged one above the other. Like where the stroma thylakoids are present, the
In
stroma thylakoids are present in between
Grana.
grana thylakoids. The light reaction is takes place in a
Thylakoids. Membrane system.
yes, light reaction is takes place in the grana thylakoids and also in stroma thylakoids. Grana and stroma thylakoids. Here, what are the given options? Light reaction takes place in option 1 grana, option 2 stroma thylakoid, option 3 both 1 and 2, option 4 cristae. What is the answer?
Sir, option 3, both 1 and 2.
Option 3 both 1 and 2. Grana and stroma thylakoid. Grana and stroma thylakoid. Right. Next, stroma in the chloroplast of higher plants contains option 1 chlorophyll, option 2 ribosomes, DNA and starch, option 3 respiratory enzymes, option 4 none of these.
Option 2.
What is the answer for this question?
Option 2.
Option
2.
2, right? Is ribosomes. What is the given second option? Ribosomes, DNA molecule, starch granule. Starch, ribosomes, DNA molecule. So the given second option is ribosomes, DNA, and starch. That is the correct answer. Chlorophyll.
Sir,
Chlorophyll
that
is
is present in membrane system.
yes, very good. That's present in the membranous systems. Thylakoids, grana thylakoids, and stroma thylakoids. Not in a stroma region.
Yes, sir.
Right. Respiratory enzymes,
Mitochondria.
are they located? Yes. So
Mitochondria.
respiratory enzymes,
Mitochondria.
very good. Mitochondria cell organ. Not in a chloroplast cell organ. Right. Next, question number 126. The statement 1. Chloroplast is semi-autonomous organelle. The statement 1. The statement 2. The ribosomes of the chloroplast are smaller than cytoplasmic ribosomes.
Both are statement correct.
Yes, very good. Both the statements are the correct. Next, which of the following cell organelle is a double membrane bound? Option 1 ribosome, 2 chloroplast, 3 centrosome, 4 or.
Option 2,
Sir, option
chloroplast.
2,
Very good. Option 2 is the correct answer. Chloroplast. Next, question number 138. In chloroplast, chlorophyll is presented. Option 1 thylakoid, option 2 stroma, option 3 outer membrane, option 4 inner membrane.
Option 1, thylakoid.
What is the answer? Very good. Thylakoid. First option is the correct answer. Thylakoid. Thylakoids. Right. Next, the number of chloroplast in a mesophyll cell
20 to 40.
is very good. Mesophyll cell is consists of 22. Next, in a chlamydomonas, the number of chloroplast
1.
cells
1.
1. Very good. In chlamydomonas. The number of chloroplast. In chloroplast, the number of chloroplast is varies. Chlamydomonas 1. And mesophyll cells 20 to 40. Right. Next, which organelle possesses circular DNA? Option 1 chloroplast.
Chloroplast.
Option 2 lysosomes. Option 3 ribosomes. Option 4, Golgi apparatus.
Sir, option 1.
Option 1 is the correct answer. Next, question number 132. In higher plant stroma of chloroplast. Option 1, enzyme for dark reaction. 2 is chlorophyll. Right. 3 is light reaction related enzymes. The fourth one is none of them. What is the answer?
Dark
Option
reaction.
1.
Very good. Enzyme for dark reaction. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next, 133. Recognize the figure and find out the correct match. Right. That B is B.
Stroma.
A. What is the
Sir,
B?
stroma.
Stroma. Okay. A.
Thylakoid.
Thylakoid. Stroma
Grana,
thylakoid or stroma lamellae.
Yes, sir.
Stroma thylakoid or stroma lamellae. Right. C.
Grana.
Grana. So A is the A is the stroma lamellae or stroma thylakoid or intergranal thylakoid. B is the stroma. C is the grana. Grana. So first option is the correct answer. Next, question number 134. Majority of the chloroplast of the green plants are found in the option 1 is.
Mesophyll.
Mesophyll cells.
Next, question number 135. Plastid differs from mitochondria on the basis of one of the following features. Or the right answer. Option 1 is presence of two layers of membrane. Option 2, presence of ribosomes. Option 3, presence of chlorophyll.
Option 3, presence of chlorophyll.
Very good. Presence of chlorophyll. Plastids are different no, from mitochondria. So chlorophyll pigments present in plastids, absent in mitochondria. So what is the answer for this question?
Option 3.
Option 3 is the correct answer. Right. Do you have any doubts now regarding this?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Tomorrow
No,
we will.
sir.
Okay. No? So tomorrow we will discuss about the light reaction of photosynthesis.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, my dear students. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
You're welcome. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay. You're welcome. Bye. Bye.